Hi students, class 9, exercise number 6.1, question number 1. From the given figure, find all the trigonometric ratios of angle B. See, this is the triangle given, the 90 degrees inclined at A, angle B is given, so we have to choose it as the theta. Right, angle B is chosen as theta, so this angle's opposite side is always opposite side of the angle theta. This opposite side is hypotenuse, the longest side, right? The remaining side is adjacent side. Now we want to find the ratios, that is sin theta is equal to, we know that is opposite side divided by hypotenuse side. Some people have, right? So the opposite side is 9, the hypotenuse side is 41, right? The opposite side AC is the opposite side and BC is the hypotenuse side, that is 9 by 41. Then cos theta is equal to curly brown hair, that is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. When you have seen my introduction, means you can easily able to write the ratios, right? The adjacent side is nothing but AB, the hypotenuse side is nothing but BC. Then AB is 40, BC is equal to 41, 40 divided by 41. Then tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. See, the opposite side is AC, the adjacent side is AB. AC is 9, AB is 40. AC is 9, AB is 40. So 9 divided by 40. Only the three ratios is enough to find the remaining all three ratios. We don't want any diagrams or anything. See, cot theta, third letter is T. The reciprocal of tan. Just turn this adjacent divided by opposite side. Then this also we have to turn AB divided by AC, and the result will be 40 divided by 9. And then secant theta, third letter is C, the reciprocal of cos. What is the cos? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Reciprocal means we get upside down, right? Hypotenuse side divided by adjacent side. If you reciprocal this, we get BC divided by AB. Then the answer should be reciprocal, that is 41 divided by 40. The last one, cosecant theta. Cosecant is nothing but reciprocal of sin. What is sin theta here? Opposite divided by hypotenuse side. Reciprocal means hypotenuse side divided by opposite. Hypotenuse side divided by opposite side. Here the hypotenuse side is BC, the opposite side is AC. Then the reciprocal of this term is 41 divided by 9. Just reciprocal the what we have find out at sin, cos, tan, just reciprocal for that cot, secant and cosecant. That is the value for the ratios. Thank you, students.